Student, this is the sum of distance and displacement, chapter motion in one dimension, 9th Icse and Cbse. So a body travels a distance of 3 km towards east, then 4 km towards north, finally 9 km towards east. Then we have to find total distance and total displacement. So simply solution is that given a body travels a distance of 3 km, first 3 km towards the east, then towards the north, which is equal to 4 km, and finally 9 km towards east. So total distance traveled by the body is the length of the path. Simply distance is the actual length traveled by the body. So 3 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to 16 kilometers. So total distance traveled by the body is 16 kilometers. Now we have to calculate displacement of the body. So this one is the diagram. So north, south, this one is north, south, east, west. So first body travel 3 kilometer A to B. This distance is 3 kilometer. Then body moves from B to C 4 kilometer. Okay, so and this one is 4 kilometer and this one is 3 kilometer. Then C to D 9 kilometers. Same statement is given. Let us check. First, what is given? A body travel 3 kilometer distance towards the east, and then 4 kilometer towards the north, and finally 9 kilometer towards east. So 3 kilometer towards the east, 4 kilometer towards the north, and 9 kilometers towards the east. So we have to calculate displacement. So what is definition of displacement? Displacement is distance between final position and initial position. So starting point is A, end point is D. So we have to calculate distance between A and D. So simply I join this 2 point A and D. So we have to find AD. Now I draw a perpendicular line DF, which is 90 degree, and then BFDC is a rectangle. So this value of this side is also 9 kilometer and this one is 3. So total side is AF is 12 and DF is 4 kilometer. Okay, so we have to find AD. Now in triangle AFD, this one is triangle AFD. I have to find AD. So by Pythagoras theorem, AD square equal to AF square plus DF square. So AF is simply 9 plus 3, 12 square, and DF is 4 square. 12 square is 144 plus 14 square is 16, which is equal to 160. So AD, or this final displacement, is equal to square root of 160, which is approx 12.56 kilometers. So this one is the final displacement.